The ministry of hospitality. Today, I would like to share with you this key truth that hospitality is not about impressing, it's about embracing. Our main scripture is Romans chapter 12 and verse 13. Part B, it says, given to hospitality. I would like you to reflect on this fact that hospitality is holy. It's not about perfect meals or spotless homes. It's about making space. Space for people, space for presence, and space for peace. When you open your door, you open your life. You say you matter, you are welcome, you belong. That's the gospel in action. Jesus didn't just preach to crowds. He ate with sinners, he reclined at tables, he turned meals into moments of transformation. Hospitality is not a side ministry. As you can see, it is central to the kingdom. I challenge you today. Is your home a place of refuge or just a place of routine? Why don't you apply this to yourself? Invite someone into your space this week. Share with them a meal. Share a coffee, or even just share a conversation. And this is my prayer for you today. Jesus, help you to open your life to others. Let your home reflect the welcome of Jesus. And this is another challenge to you that I want you to put down and consider and think about it throughout the week. What holds you back from practicing hospitality more often? This is Pastor Tembo. Until tomorrow, it's bye. Thank you for listening.